Back on the road again. Almost 440. So almost 440. Man, I'm a little bit sleepy. I'm like running off 4 hours of sleep. Fell asleep at like 10 or 11. Woke up at 4. Time to get an energy drink and some subs. Hopefully we do just that. Vision's a little blurred. I look a little. Might have to do one of those. Might have to. We made it. One step closer to getting to this river. This man brought out a whole case of orange soda. That's Eric for you. I'm out here fishing with my coworker Eric. I'm kind of excited because I've fished here before, but I've never had a GoPro. Never used a GoPro for it. So this is what we're working with today. I love this thing. Eric's got me to really appreciate canoes. Beautiful, beautiful stretch of river out here in North Carolina. Normally the water's a little more clearer than that. Eric says it's nice and low. I'm sure I'll catch a fish today. I always do. Doesn't it get muddy out here? Yes, sir. I will add on that this is one of the first times that I've fished it after a rain. So to be honest, it looks like Tar River to me, but usually Cape Fear River is a lot cleaner than that. It's a rocky bottom most of the way throughout. So it's pretty cool fishery. So you can use the environment to your advantage with certain lures, right? Let's just wait for Eric. Should have gave her a cast or two. Nice. There's a bass over there. feel like a bass would easily eat this little guy. Imagine if a gar hit that. Oh, I just got bit. Yeah. Pretty sick though. I got some action here. Came after my line, then it came after my lure. Then I felt like I set the hook twice. Gotcha. That thing is fighting. Oh my God, that was a good bass. Oh, that thing was fighting good, dude. Sorry, Eric, I let you down. I feel like I need to stand up, honestly. That thing was fighting, Eric. I don't think it's coming back for that. No way. It looked like a, what, 1.7? 2 pounder? 2 pounder. Pretty good river fish for me. Nice bite right there. Should let him kind of fight a little bit. As soon as I threw it on the rock wall, it got hit. Oh, come on. Little guy. Gotcha. Yes. That's what I was hoping for. That's a good one. It's nice and fat. And he's fighting like a river fish that he is. I'm sick of it, Eric. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of this. Kate Fear 3, Caleb 0. I figured something out though, right?
Yeah.
Just throw it right on top of these rocks and let it just fall for a second. Till you feel that one bite. Dang, that was a good river fish. The first one, I mean like the second one, like it was so fat. Did you see how fat it was? Mm-hmm. I need to keep them from jumping. That's probably what's really messing me up. I remember that one morning we came out, they were hitting right across the load-in. The launch. Gotcha. Please stay pinned so I can catch one. I just want to catch one. Please. Yes. A little river bass here. Yeah, finally, Eric. Finally. All right, I'm glad I got that on camera. Cool. This was a Cape Fear River. I'm like, yeah, they're like, I guess they were surprised I was up so early. I'm like, man, I'm trying to go get it. They were like, where are you from and where are you coming from and stuff. He came back for it. Oh my God. Sorry, I get emotional. Yeah, this is awesome. Gotcha. Finally, I saw this whole thing go down. No, stop.
Oh, that's a nice one right there.
Yeah. There we go. I saw him eat that and everything. That's like the third. Nice. That's like the third one like that that's gone down that way. Like.
That's a 1.5 pound fish.
Oh yeah.
Swim.
Oh yeah, dude, look how this is straight muscle, Eric.
Yeah.
Like the way they fight
No
is
fat, lazy fish in the river.
yeah. Pretty nice. I love it, man. We're like, really? The only tree in sight. The only tree in sight. Alright. Looks like it's sinking properly there. I knew it. Oh, that's a bigger one. Just please stay hooked. Stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked. Oh, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. All right, we're gonna flip you. Oh, sorry, Eric.
That's bigger than the last one.
These 2 pound, like, they're, like you said, they're straight muscle, dude. Look at them. Like, the 198.
I mean, you can't get much closer to 2 pounds.
Yeah. 210. That's what I'm talking about, Eric. 210. Eric's got the eyes. Caught the 2 pounder we were looking for. Nice. I knew it was gonna happen, Eric. I knew it. Yes, sir.
About time to buy some more catfish hooks.
Let's see what Eric comes up with. Jug's moving around. Oh my goodness, that is a fat fish.
That's a nice damn fish.
That
right
is a
there.
fat fish. Oh my god. Dude. Golly. This is like, what do you think, 25?
I mean, I'm thinking 15.
Think so? You want to weigh him?
Come on, let me get the rope.
Incredible. Alright, that was the first one.
What did it say?
1862. That seem about right to you?
Yeah.
Alright. 1902. One more. Alright. $18.86, so it's pretty much around 19 then.
Yeah.
the belly on that, dude. The jug works again. Jugging. Seeing that thing swim under like that. No, mine fell off. Mine fell off. Huh?
I got mine.
Could be some followers. It's fighting all right. That's a gar. You got a gar. You got a whole gar, Eric. Oh my god.
I don't want a gar.
No. Fight him. No. I like this, Eric.
I told you.
I'm gonna check if I can get him. Oh, I can't get a good eye on him. That was my fault.
It's all good.
Hey, man.
Now you start to see what I'm talking about when you're fighting one of those things.
Dude, the reason we lost that is because of me. He's gotta be. There we go. Stay down. No. That's a good one.
Yeah. Pound and a half.
Yep. Yeah, that's probably right. All right. It's a beautiful one, though.
He's chunky.
Yes, sir. It shakes. Look how aggressive he is. All right. He won. After all of those head shakes, I don't blame. I'm not surprised that went down at all.
Yeah.
A formidable opponent. Got it. Oh, look at that river bass. Yep, a river bass indeed. This has been the best river day of the whole year for me. But I already knew it was gonna be that way when I came out here. Catch plenty out here.
Oh, yeah.
Pure muscle. Would you say not a spotted bass?
I think it's a largemouth, yeah.
Looks like a really good spot too. Yeah.
He's up in there.
I was like, he's got to be in there. We're out, right in the side of the cheekbone. They're all fat. Yet. Not yet at all. Probably a lot.